and today we're cooking up chili verde. Now we have our meat, we have our anaheim that we chopped up, we have our meat, it's still cooking. Somewhere in here, put a little bit of cumin. It's real popular in Mexico, putting it in all their things that they make. Let's just put it in. Don't put it in a whole lot. Just, just a bit. Ain't no thing. Put in a little bit. This isn't coming out. Just a little bit, depending on how much you want. Put it in here. Cook it up. Stir it up. We're not making a big batch today. You'll get to know how much meat you want with the batch. Still cooking up. Let's add a little bit of salt. I like salty foods. Here we go. Adding some salt. Making sure that's cooked up. Down a little bit. Alright, excellent.